Nala Marty from Best RV in Corla, California. What I'm standing in is the Xeon Road Track Xeon 2025 from Best RV. This is a beautiful Class B on a Ram chassis. And everybody know when you say the word road track is mean high-end Class B. They manufacture them in Canada. They are very well known, and actually the one who created the word Class B. But me personally, even you, when you come over here and you compare this Class B to the other brands, you will see Road Truck offering you more features, more benefit, and niche built, which is quality, and that's what is work on. Number one, they have a step to get in on the chassis. So when you get in the chassis as well in the motorhome, they have electric step. Other brands, they don't have electric step. I like about the finishings on the window. They give you a window on this side as well, window in the living room side. So you actually you could have wind circulation inside the Class B. I like the nice touch over here. That's another touch they added to the Class B. It make it more down to the road rather than just seeing just a big running board. Two big floodlight LED on the side, on the right and the left. Power awning with a rack, as you see right there on the top. Now, some people love this road track Xeon on a white color because if you're in from Arizona or extreme hot weather, the white color Class B always give you less heat going inside the unit. And this is a fact. I mean, the white color is different than when you have gray or black. Another advantage on this road truck Xeon is they paint the bottom. A lot of manufacturers on the Ram chassis, they don't paint the ABS plastic on the side. They keep it black. So you will have white and black. But I really like about the road track, they paint the sides completely, even on the plastic ABS. As usual, in the back, you have the backup camera and the Class 3 hitch. I like the power hookup for the road track is separated, so they give it to you easy to access. Outside shower and it's painted, not that cheap plastic. And also it has a Truma air condition and Truma heater. Nice compartments for your hookup to hook up the black and the gray. And then another step to walk in the unit. Now, road truck Class B, one thing is good about they always give you two battery disconnect switch. You have battery disconnect switch for the chassis and battery disconnect switch for the house. Whereas the other manufacturer, they give you only one to the house. So always save your battery on this Class B road truck. As everybody knows, this is the Ram chassis. It's by Chrysler. Quality approved by road truck. That's a big deal. That's mean it went through an intensive of testing before it shipped to the dealership. In this road truck Xeon, you have two entry doors. You could get in from the back as well on the side. But this particular floor plan, people loving it because you could walk all the way from the back to the front, and you didn't have to go around. Like some of them, they have a physical sofa here or a bench. You cannot walk to the back. This will allow you to walk from the back as well on the side. Again, road trick, when you talk to me, Class B road trick is quality. I give you kind of the features. They have even a place to hold your table. With other brand, without mentioning names, they don't have. Their all compartments have two locking mechanisms, and you can see the finishing of the doors inside. Versus the other, they don't finish. So you could see all these doors, they don't waste any space. And all of them, they lock the mechanism. You have to use those two last to open them. See? As well over here. And then you have another one over there. So I'm getting almost five, one, two, three, four, six door in this bench and that bench. And that gives you advantage. Plus you have another storage from outside. Again, quality, and they don't waste space and they think about everything. This compartment, they have shocking. You could leave it that way. Look, the finishing inside. They don't give you the cheapy carpet, the gray one, like some other brands. They finish it up for you with solid. It could handle weight. You have inverter. So I did. Then this one, you just kind of close it. And if you want for safety, you have locking mechanism to make it flush. Same thing here. Another advantage, Truma, Truma AC and Truma heater and the furnace. Even the TV, they give you cover for the TV. Some other brand, they don't do that. That's what I'm saying. Quality, quality, quality. This particular floor plan come with electric sofa here. So there's a 3 seat over here. So I could sit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this more for this class B, I could sit 5 people with seat belts. You could push a switch, voila, and then I could scoop this one, grab this one, voila. I have a big bed, almost queen size bed. I could sleep easy 2 people. I could go sleep that way, easy 2 people, no question asked. And to put this bed back, very easy. You push this switch. So another quality feature, like even their plugs, this is the speakers, this is light, you touch it, you could control it from the main control. Also, if you touch it in your finger, you can turn it off. But this kind of this, like a cap here, a cap cover for 110 plug, USB, all kind, 12 volt. You have it on this side and that. This kind of features I'm talking about. This is kind of what's quality, detail oriented. Like this one, you have another wall plug DC here, and then you have um, these 110 and USB, the two kind of USB plug. Coming down over here, look at the ceiling. This is nice soft touch ceiling, and it also is molded. That's give you the nice look. And then all these LED lights, you can control it from the panel. And look how bright it is. I mean, in this little tiny space, they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, over 12 lights just in the ceiling. Coming down to the kitchen wise, I like to give you this stainless steel backsplash. So it's easy to clean. If you fry something, very easy to clean, no question asked. With the lighting, you have the microwave, inductions, stove, solid service, stainless steel sink, rice faucet. So this is spray. And then you have extension countertop. And then the kitchen, all finished doors, shelves, a lot of shelving, utensils. Then also here closets with hanging. And this is the lid for the table. The fridge. You have separate door for fridge. And this is 12-volt reefer. Another doors. Look how deep it is. You put cooking pans. Pantry with locking mechanism. Coming over here, so we have the showers. Like this stainless steel shelf. You could put your soap, sink, showers as well, toilet, easy to get in. And then they make this mechanism where you get more elbow. So now I get more elbow when I go to the showers in the bathroom. And that's the design they create. They have even towel rack, paper towel, all of that. They give you extra storage, which is look like 3 lights out windows, more shelf. The seat is turned. Look at the workmanship. Look at the finishing next to the bathroom. I mean, I really like about Road Track is they complete their Class B motorhome. It's come complete and not cut corners. Typical Chryslers, GPS, backup camera, CarPlay, Android, and then all the two plugs, the USB plugs, 12 DC plug, AC, airbag. There's road trick assistant, 24 hours numbers, emergency shut off unit. So this is what's quality control Class B. Coming over here, we have Complete system, everything I can control. My generators start from here, so my AC heaters, lights, all the temperatures, you name it. So I could control all of this one. Come to Best RV. Grab the Road Trek Class B motorhome because they are quality. You'll be satisfied. And you know, guys, you know, I say it again and again and again, and everybody know. Price, don't waste your time. You have the best price and the lowest price in this side of the country. And no any hidden fees. We make this motorhome, wash it, clean it, prep it, fill it out. Ready. You turn ignition, go straight to campground. Don't go home. And for price, no one could match in the state of California. Come to Best